Welcome back to Watch Review. In this video I will talk about the basic settings and also the tips for this watch, Casio DBC-32. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, if you are in any other mode and you want to get back to the timekeeping mode, you can just press the mode button several times until you hear the high pitch or high tone beeping sound. This one. Okay. And then the next one, this watch has auto display or demo mode, and to activate just press and hold the mode button like this one, the bottom left, okay, and it will show this one, the timekeeping mode with the language it support on top of this one on the top line, and then after that it will change by itself to the data bank or telememo, and so on and so on. Okay, and to exit from this demo mode or auto display, you can press the adjust button, mode button, or this one, the search button. So in this case, I will press the search button. Okay. Anyway, if you want to change the time format, easy. Just press this one, the search button. So this one is 21 at the 24-hour format. It's also 9 p.m. Okay. Now, again, if you want to go back to timekeeping mode fast, easy, there's a tips that I can share you. Just press and hold the mode button. So we are going to use the demo mode or auto display like this, okay? And then after that, just press the mode button once. So you don't have to move your finger anywhere else, just use this button. So just press and hold until it beeps for the demo mode or auto display, and then press once more. And now you are in the timekeeping mode. Easy. Okay, the next one. We will do the LCD check, and to do that, you need to press 3 buttons at the same time, adjust, mode, and search, and you might want to hold the watch in this position. And the tips is to press the adjust button a bit earlier, so like this, and then the other two after that. Okay, and now we have this LCD check screen. And you can press the search button on the bottom right, okay, this one, to move to the next screen, and this one is the code for the module or the program 2888, and now return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next, as I just showed you earlier, for the time format you can change using this button, the search button, okay, and then for the light or the backlight you can activate by pressing this one, the light button on the top right, easy, okay, shown here. And then this watch also has the auto light or auto backlight. To activate, just press and hold this top right button or the light button until the indicator is active, this one, okay? And then if you want to activate the auto light or you want to use the auto light, just tilt the watch like this and it will automatically turn on the backlight. So you don't need to press any button to activate the backlight if the auto light is active. Okay, and as a side note, this auto light will be active for 6 hours. After that, it will return to be not active. Okay, now we will set the length of the backlight. You have two options, 1.5 seconds or 3 seconds. So if it is 3 seconds, this indicator will be active on the second line, okay? And to activate 3 seconds or to change the length of the backlight to become 3 seconds, you can do it by using the adjust mode. So from this timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button on the top left, okay, and then after that press the light button on the top right, and you have 3 seconds here. Or also if you want to return to 1.5 seconds, then just press again, and now the 3 second indicator is not active. Okay, easy. And then press again the adjust button to exit from the adjust mode. You can also mute this watch. So meaning that now if I press any button, it will make this beeping sound, beep, beep, and so on. So if you want to use this watch without beeping sound, if you operate the buttons, easy. First, you need to go to the calculator mode. So from this timekeeping, just press the mode button 2 times, okay. Now we are in the calculator mode. And now press and hold the search button or the bottom right button, this one, AC1224 or search button. So like this, and now the mute is active, and if I press the mode button, it will not make beeping sound. Also, if you want to use the calculator, Wait a moment, let me get to the calculator mode. Okay, it's not making any beeping sound. Okay, if we want to deactivate the mute feature, easy, just press and hold again in the calculator mode. So now if we press the buttons, it will make beeping sound. Okay, now let's return to the timekeeping mode, and then we will set the time and calendar and so on. So to do that, press and hold the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and now as you can see, the second is flashing or blinking. You can change or you can reset the second by pressing the 0 button on the keypad, this one, 0, so that it will change to become 0. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So for example, this one, 20, then if I press this one, it becomes 0 without additional minute. Okay, next we can move to the item that we want to set using these two buttons. This one, the mode button, will move to the left side, and this one, the search button or the AC or 12/24-hour button, it will move to the right. So let me show you this one, going to the year and so on. Okay, if I press this one, the mode button, it will move to the left. Okay, minute, hour and so on. But anyway, let me exit from the adjust mode first. Anyway, I tried these two condition or two options, and the easiest one with less button press or button push is using this one, the search button. So let me show you. So from this timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and then okay, if we want to zero the second, for example this one, 31, so press 0 and 0 with additional minute. Okay, and then I press this one, the search button on the bottom right, and now it is the year. So this one I can input easy, just follow through. You can press this one to just skip to the next one, or you can press the keypad. So 24. Okay, now April, so let's just input the same thing, 04. Okay, the date 16. Okay, let's just input the same thing, or let's say I want to input as 15. Okay, and then next one is the language. This one, English. We can also change using the plus and division. So this one is changing to the next language option, and this one, the division, is using the previous language option. Okay, and then we can use again this search button to move to the next item, and that one is the hour, but this one is the tenths of the hour, so 09, and this one is in the 12-hour format, and it's going to be a bit different with the 24-hour format. So in this case, if I want to input 09 p.m. like this, and if I want to change to become 09 a.m., I cannot use the button 0 and 9. I need to define it as a.m. So I will need to press this one, the equal sign right here. So now I input as 9 a.m. But in this case, because let's say I will input this one as 8 p.m. So let me input 0 and 8. And then if I press this one, let's see if it's working. Okay, it still works. So now 8 p.m. Okay, and then the next one we will input for the minute. So let's say this is 8:45, so 45, and now return to the second. And done for the setting of the time and also calendar, or in this case the calendar and also the time. Okay, now if you want to change the daylight saving time for those of you that lives in area with daylight saving, easy. This timekeeping mode, press and hold the search button, this one, okay, the button right, and yes, it will activate the daylight saving. Okay, and yeah, it will change also the time format, so you need to press once more, and now yes, 9 p.m. daylight saving. And if you want to deactivate, also use the same button, and now the daylight saving is not active, but yeah, it will change the time format. And yes, one more tips, you can also use these two buttons, the division and also the addition button, to just take a look a little for the other mode. So this one will show you the dual time, okay, and then this one will show you the telememo. Okay, that's all for this video. If you want to know more about the telememo and also the calculator and also the currency exchange feature, please wait. I still need some time to get used to the features, and after that I will make a tutorial video for you. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.